The SRX rechargeable digital Doppler includes the SRX Doppler unit, a tube of gel, rechargeable batteries, mains recharger, USB lead, mains plug adapters, instructions for use CD, additional products and services leaflet, a quick start guide. With the Doppler lying face down on a flat surface, use a small tool to unclip the battery case. You will see a helpful illustration on the inside of the case showing the correct positioning for the batteries. When inserting the batteries, make sure that the black strip is placed underneath and replace the battery cover. Align the connector to the bottom of the probe and rotate until you feel the key system connect. Push the connector into the probe. Once connected, you can place the probe into the probe parking located on the side of the Doppler unit. Connect the charger to its appropriate adapter. Slide it into place until it is securely connected. Take the USB cable and connect it to the charger, using the standard USB port. Take the opposite end of the cable and connect this to the micro USB socket at the top of the Doppler unit. Turn on the unit by pressing the left-hand button for 1 second. If a probe is connected, you will quickly see the probe recognition screen. If a probe symbol with a question mark appears, then an invalid probe from an old product range has been connected. Use only the XS range of probes. Palpate first to identify fetal position. With the Doppler unit turned on, place some gel on the mother's abdomen. Then place the probe at 90 degrees to the skin over the fetal left scapula. Angle it around to find the best heart sounds. After a short delay, you will be able to see the fetal heart rate being displayed. You can now see the baby's heart rate as shown in the big numbers mode. Click on the left button to view in trace mode. As well as the trace, you can also see the pulse indicator, heart rate and signal quality. Enter the setup screen by pressing the right button for 3 seconds. In the Settings menu, highlight the screen brightness icon and press the middle button. Use the left and right buttons to increase or decrease the screen brightness. Press the green tick to accept. With the time and date icon highlighted, press the center button. Scroll to the clock symbol and click the center button to enter. Press the center button to move through the time and date where correct. To change the time, press either the left or right buttons to select your desired time. Once the time and date are correct, press the center button to go back to the previous screen. In the Settings menu, highlight the battery icon and press the middle button. If you have a non-rechargeable product, move the selection box to the left and press Tick. This will disable the charging capability. If you want to select the charging capability, highlight the battery symbol with a tick and press Accept. With the pin lock icon highlighted, press the middle button. Use the left and right buttons to select the desired numbers. If the pin is to be accepted, press the green tick. If you do not want to create a pin code, press the red cross. Creating a code locks the saved database on the unit. To unlock the database, enter the correct pin code and press the green tick. With the heart icon highlighted, press the middle button. This option sets the heart rate processing mode. The outline heart symbol is the standard mode, which is equivalent to 4-beat averaging. Press the left button to highlight other symbols. The solid heart symbol is used for a higher level of smoothing and equates to around 8 beats per minute. The stopwatch mode is used mainly for noisy or very low-level signals that can be heard by ear but that the Doppler cannot calculate a rate from. Read the user manual for details on this mode. Press the green tick to accept. With the graph icon highlighted, press the middle button. Press the middle button again, and you are now able to set the vertical and horizontal scaling. The top number stands for 1 centimeter per minute equivalent, and the bottom number of 20 beats per centimeter vertical scaling. These are used throughout most of the world. Press the left button if you wish to change to 3 centimeter per minute horizontal scaling and 30 beats per minute vertical scaling. Press the green tick to accept. The middle icon is to change the fetal heart rate out of range alerts. The high rate alert can be adjusted using the left and right buttons until you reach the required level. Press the middle button to adjust the low rate alert. Press the green tick to accept. The right icon allows you to disable the Trace View mode. Simply highlight either the Yes or No option and press the green tick to accept. With the audio recording icon highlighted, press the middle button. Here you can see that audio recording can be enabled or disabled. Move the box over the speaker with the tick symbol and press the middle button. This will enable the audio recording. To disable, press the middle button and select the speaker with a cross. With the labor timer icon highlighted, press the middle button. Here you can see that labor timers can be activated or deactivated. Move the box over the timer with a tick symbol and press the middle button. This will activate the timer. To disable, press the middle button and select the timer with a cross. With audio recording activated, press the middle button. This begins the recording, which is also highlighted by the flashing red circle in the left-hand corner. Press the middle button to stop. Press the middle button again to review the recording. If you wish to save the recording, press the left button. This saves it to the memory card. Press the left button again to view the recording from the memory card. Press the left and right buttons to scroll up and down. Press the middle button to view the recording. Press the red X button to return to real time. In big numbers mode, click the left button to enter trace view. In this view, you can see the date and time, pulse indicator, heart rate and signal quality indicator. The flashing heart rate symbol changes color to red if the high or low rate threshold is reached, and changes back to green once it returns to within the set range. This current trace view is set to 1 centimeters a minute. Big numbers mode can be viewed again by pressing the left button. Fetal movement can be recorded by pressing the right button and a marker will appear on the trace. Once you have a trace you wish to save, stop the trace and click the left button. Press the left button again to save the trace to the unit's memory card. Retrieve a stored trace by going back into the trace view and press the middle button. Click the left button and then the middle button to view saved traces. Use the left and right buttons to select the file you want and press the middle button to view. Pressing the middle button gives you the option of deleting the trace. Click the green tick if you wish to delete a selected saved trace. Once deleted, you will be automatically returned to real-time trace mode.